Hello, welcome to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. Today I have stuff that is for sale at lovelyscraftinglodge.store. It's my storefront. I don't sell anywhere else. I just exclusively sell on my website. So the first thing I want to show you is let me move this out of the way. The first thing I want to show you is a journal kit. And what I mean by journal kit is it's just the base. So this is the base of a journal that you can make. It is an envelope journal. So what that means is the cover is this envelope here. And I went ahead and folded it, but you can fold it the other way if you want. But both sides are dyed. And it comes with, so there's that. And it's got the clasp on it. I don't know if you saw that or not, but it's got a clasp closure. So it comes with these notebook pages, and then it comes with plain paper. I mean, like, it's coffee dyed, but it's computer type paper. So, and then it has 3 tags. So it's got 2 small ones and then a larger one, and they all have, one has an elastic, the big one has an elastic, and then the 2 small ones are string. And then it comes with dyed index cards. These are 6x4, or 4x6, sorry I said that weird. And then it also comes, because it is an envelope journal, I put some security envelopes, windowed envelopes in here that are dyed, so comes with those, so 5 of those. So that is the junk journal kit. That is an envelope junk journal. And then I have these flat cards. They're flat, so they don't fold open. And I have them in a set of 5, and then the corresponding envelopes. And the envelopes, I put rings on them. So I thought those were pretty cool. So there's those. That's 2 of the items. And then the third one, which is the one I'm most excited about, is the Christmas. And let's see. So it starts out, it's got these little papers on the top are from like tablets. And so we have the Dear Santa, there's 3 of those. And then we have the reindeer, Merry Christmas. And we have the, it's like arts and crafts. It's cute. And then the post office. Little candies. Making a list, checking it twice. Got 3 of those in there. And these are all coffee dyed. And then I have some index cards, some same size as the other ones, which were 4x6. And then I have green and red stenciled paper. It's got snowflakes and poinsettias as the stencil. And then I have the, what are these called? They're just like greeting cards. They're perforated, so they fold right there. And they have like glitter, not glitter, but foil on the trees here, the Christmas trees. I have those. And then I have I think this is called stationery paper. So I have the Merry Christmas ones, and then I have the Holly ones. And same with these, they either have the poinsettia or the snowflake stencil on it. So there's that kit as well. So if you're interested in these or many others, I don't have a lot of kits right now. I just have a lot of loose paper where you can build your own bundle. I think that's a lot of fun to go through and build your own bundle, but if you don't want to do that and you want a kit, these might be something that you're interested in. If you're looking for a different type of kit or something in particular, just send me a message on there, or you can send me an email, lovelyscraftinglodge@gmail.com, and we can get in touch. So that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys back here next time at Lovely's Crafting Lodge.